Hi everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're gonna do a little bit of a spring, natural, glowy, clean girl type look for makeup. I don't have any big plans. I may go out to dinner tonight, but I thought it'd be fun to do just kind of a relaxing video. I may speed through some of these parts, so maybe not talking the entire time. If you do have any questions about the products that I'm gonna be using, I will link them down below. Besides that, let's get into it. Let's relax together. Let's do our makeup. We're gonna keep it natural today. We're not gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna start out with my e.l.f. That was quite a noise. e.l.f. Halo Glow, and we'll go from there. Going in with my e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette in probably the lightest shade since we're keeping it pretty natural. Next, I'm concealing with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish in shade Light Peach and Light Beige. Now I'm gonna go in and blend everything together with the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Glossier Cloud Paint in shade Haze. Lightly going in with some butter bronzer to bronze up my face. Now a touch of powder blush with the blush by Essence. I think spring is the perfect time to go up on blush. Like if you're going to pick any time of the year to really like blush out your face, it's all about spring, baby. There's something about spring that just like yells cute to me. I desperately need one of those fans, you know, that you just like, that's my dream. Now for a little light eyeshadow, we're going in with something just cute and glowy with Glossier Lid Star in shade Slip. We're keeping the eyebrows light. We don't want to weigh them down at all. So we're just going to go in with a little clear brow gel. One thing that I think really makes clean girl makeup look is by doing very light mascara or no mascara at all. This is a trick that I've always noticed whenever I do it. People are like, wow, your skin looks so good today, or wow, you look so beautiful. I'm like, people just think no mascara equals no makeup. I'm very curious of a brown mascara. I feel like that would look very natural. Okay, lightly going in with mascara. Now one of my favorite parts, cleaning up the lips. And since we're keeping it natural, I'm gonna do just a nude lip liner. And one of my favorite things to do with lip liner is to go in with a little Vaseline and we just kind of blend out with that pinky finger. And just for fun, another mist and set. There we have it. This is the final look. A cute little glowy spring clean look. Nothing too overcomplicated, nothing too crazy, just something kind of a natural glow, and you can wear it for anything. Honestly, this is kind of like a day-to-day for me, and I've been loving just kind of a light glow look for the springtime. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was something you found relaxing, interesting, informational at all. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.